to share this DIY humidifier I whipped up using some parts from the awesome folks over at House of Hydro. You'll see me here kind of installing the fan a little bit. I pre-drilled these with a drill. Then I wanted to use a soldering rod to do the holes in this tub. A drill probably would get the job done, but I was a little nervous about cracking the tub, so I went with what I knew. The best part about this project is I will be able to sustain a relative humidity of 85% in my grow tent, and I'm sure the mushrooms are going to really enjoy that. I got everything installed and I'm super excited to let it rip. Looks like a Bob Marley concert in this tent. I hope you guys did really enjoy this build.